Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to take a look at the search operator's quotation marks. And so when we start with the term, and let's use the term low carb dieting, you're going to get a certain number of results. One thing that we can do is we can add quotations to the beginning and end of the entire set of search terms. And what we're telling Google to do is to look for this term in particular or these three words together. And so what we're going to do now is we'll notice that we've got 661,000 results. We're now going to use just that term, and you'll notice that we have narrowed down the results significantly to 93,400, and we have a more defined set of terms. So the very first thing that you'll want to do is you'll want to use quotation marks as your search limitation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.